Hi, welcome to Cook Action. Today I'll be making easy pecan rolls that my grandma makes. For this recipe I'll need 24 dinner rolls, a packet of butterscotch pudding, 1 stick of melted butter, half a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of pecans. First, I need to grease my 9x13 pan. Next, I need to put the frozen dinner rolls in the pan. Next, I need to sprinkle the dry pudding over the rolls. Next, I need to combine the brown sugar, cinnamon, and pecans. Into this bowl. Next, I need to stir this around. Until it looks like this. Next, I pour it over the dinner rolls. Now I need to let this sit overnight at room temperature. I will bake it at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown, and let set for 5 minutes until cooled. Hello, it's now the next morning and I'm about to put my rolls in the oven that I have set to 350 degrees. Overnight, these rolls have risen and expanded. Now I'm going to let them stay in here for 25 to 30 minutes. My timer just went off and I'm going to take my rolls out of the oven. It looks like they're done. So I'm going to take them all the way out and let them cool for 5 minutes. Now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm going to flip the rolls over. ready to eat.